Hi, I'm Laura Crabtree. We just lost our family home in Paradise due to the campfire. Like all of you, we are devastated, overwhelmed, and afraid for what comes next. And we're glad that at least we had insurance and we called right away. Let's face it, maybe insurance will pay for some of this mess, but people can never be made whole for the destruction that has changed the course of everyone's lives. In any fire, hurricane, or natural disaster, it seems lawyers parachute down, promising everyone everything, but few actually deliver, and I know that firsthand as I work in this field. Picking a lawyer is key. They aren't all alike, and no matter what the lawyer may say to sign you up, if they haven't done a chunk of these for decades, then you are in the wrong hands. And if they are in California, then why even hire them? Any good, deserving firm won't have you pay out of pocket and definitely won't charge you more than 1/3. There are going to be so many firms from out of state, Los Angeles, San Francisco, who all want these cases, but the right one that does more than just signs you up is key. You need someone who will return your calls, has a good track record, and will be there when you need them the most. Most of these lawyers doing town hall meetings won't return again after that meeting or after signing you. It's still really early in the process, and some people are getting checks, but that will stop, and people will still not have a place to live or funds to rebuild, and what comes next. When the music stops, you need a partner, and someone who makes your cause personal, because it is. Remember, Paradise and Butte County is our home too.